妞，
往那里拽呀，儿子往那里拽，拽，拽，拽，啊，然后压在它上面，这里，这里过，往那里搞一下了，你看，对，然后那个，
不妞，
对，
不妞。
对，这样。
I do not mind his not talking to Mrs. Long, said Miss Lucas, but I wish he had danced with Eliza. Another time, Lizzie, said her mother, I would not dance with him if I were you. I believe, Mum, I may safely promise you never to dance with him. His pride, said Miss Lucas, does not offer me so much as pride often does, because there is an excuse for it. One cannot wonder that so very fine a young man, with feminine fortune everything in his favor, should think highly of himself. If I may so express it, he has a right to be proud. That is very true, replied Elizabeth, and I could easily forgive his pride if he had not mortified mine. Pride, observed Mary, who piqued herself upon the solidity of her reflections, is a very common feeling, I believe, by all that I have ever read. I am convinced that it's very common indeed, that human nature is particularly prone to it, and that there were very few of us who do not cherish a feeling of self-complacency on the score of some quality or other, real or imaginary. Vanity and pride are different things, though the words are often used synonym, synonymously. Often used synonymously. A person may be proud without being vain. Pride relates more to our opinion of ourselves. Vanity to what we would have others think of us. If I were as rich as Mr. Darcy, cried a young Lucas, who came with his sisters, I should not care how proud I was. I would keep a pack of falcon-horns and drink a bottle of wine every day. Then you would drink a great deal more than you ought, said Mrs. Bennet, and if I were to see you at it, I should take away your bottle directly. The boys protested. The boys protested that she should not. She continued to declare that she would, and the argument ended only with the visit. 15, page 18. Page 18 is finished. The The famous, the famous sentence is, a person may be proud without being vain. Pride related more to our opinion of ourselves, vanity to what we would have others think of us. I think it's true. Look at my new hair. It's so cute. Yeah. Ah. See? Yeah. Yeah. Mm. Mm. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye, guys. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Mm. 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 Little baby, little baby, baby girl, baby girl. So cute, so cute, so beautiful. Bye bye, guys.